Okay, so I'm cutting some butcher block. I'm just going to give you a couple tips. To try to keep from scratching the surface and keeping the wood from splintering, masking tape is a really good idea when you're going to make your cut. And I don't have a track saw with me, so I'm going to be using some vise, just some clamps, and then use like a straight edge, just like a cheap level or something. So you just measure over the width of the blade to guide on your saw, and then you can clamp this down. So I'll show you. Nice and straight. So yeah, anyways, quick tip of the day.